Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 66. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the Emperor and General Tantai. Two of them are still talking. The palace maid who took care of the Empress Dowager came to report the Queen Mother, it seems to be sick. Oh, it turns out she really needs to visit her mother. But the Emperor wants to visit her mom. I have always wanted to see you and I always miss Yingwei, the country princess. One of the servants was telling her, it seems that Xinyan, she was busy working at this moment. Well, definitely. She was saying, send the imperial doctor to take a good care of her, and I will go to see her when I am free of work. So it turns out she really want to be busy, but also she become aloof on her own mother because she know to herself that her mom doing something strange for her. Also for the little queen. As for Mingwei, the emperor said to the servant, first Mingwei has a right to know this because raised by the queen mother itself. Ask Mingwei what he means, whether or not to go, let her to be in charge of herself. Alan said to Xinyan, well, definitely, Mrs. Mingwei treat the Queen Mother as her own mother, so she has the right to know. About the condition of the Queen Mother, the minister is willing to replace the land under this trip. So right now, looking at Alan, she seems to be exhausted and also she don't know what to do. So the Emperor seems to be teasing her. Alan, you can go down first. Apparently she said yes. Well, this is really getting crazy since the Queen Mother is sick, but right now it seems that she don't have a time to see her own mother. Well, definitely. I remember going to the palace before you were in talking about the folk. You had a look, check a folk yet. Just wanted to tell you about this when I entered to the palace today. Well, definitely Xinyan, she got really curious about the manuscript the little queen was doing the last time. Because of the book, the matter of the palace written was too specific, so I reported it to the next. But the coincidence after Luxia knew about it, the book was not sold out. Well, definitely right now, the Emperor knows that. Is the authors of the book. Zelenius book. Does this the queen wants to see it? Oh, right now, the little queen seems to feel eerie because she knows that there's someone talking about her. But right now, Xinyan was asking Alan, is there a manuscript? Well, probably she really want to see if the manuscript of the Queen Mother's doing also this book are the same. Of course, the author is the little queen. But right now, Alan, if you ask the bookstore's owners for the big family fanfare, I'm afraid it will disturb the author. Alan said to the Emperor, well, definitely right now. She was really getting curious about this matter. It seems that Alan goes to the bookstore and sneak out. So, I will sneak into the bookstore in the middle of the night, secretly took it the 2 pages. Well, it turns out Alan, she become busy. At the moment, she see the 2 manuscripts. Please see below, Alan said to the Emperor. Well, of course, right now. She is still loyal. Looking at Alan, she wants to give it the Emperor right now, and the Emperor seems to be so excited to see the manuscript. Passing is the different wonder it called crispy fish yesterday. Now, everything is clean to the Emperor. Well, definitely. She will ask Queen Jiangxu. Right now, she suddenly stopped. Look at her, she looks really engrossed on reading. So, it was confirmed the little queen has another identity outside, so should I play with her? Or ask her to take it and deceive her with interest? Now, it really makes sense. Alan, she was coughing. If this time, Luxia, I didn't think about how to handle this. I will think about it slowly. The ministers. Well, definitely. Xinyan, you really want to speak things. Alan, at this moment, you can tell Mingwei for her, although the Queen Mother treats her with a harness, kindness may also have been sincerity in the years. The person who is blinded by the power really less work mentioning. Don't disturb yourself, let alone throw the ground as a prison. Well, it was really sensible, but right now, what will the Empress gonna do to the little queen? Is she going to punish her? Or she really want to trick her? Did Luxia really say so? Princess Mingwei, she was talking to Ilan. Right now, she looks really beautiful. Sadly, she was contained. Definitely, she was really gorgeous. On the other hand, it was Alan. Yes, you can do, but there's no right to refuse. Alan said to Princess Mingwei. Now, it really makes sense. Alan, suddenly she got curious. Well, definitely. It was a big deal. I don't know. I'm grateful to my aunt. She is kind to me, but her kindness is like clearly marked with price. Well, looking at Princess Mingwei's reaction, it seems that she was really serious about this matter. Well, let's see. I have to be patient, sensible, and well-behaved in exchange for her goodness. But it's again, she took me into the palace to raise me and she gave me a respected identity. She don't let me to be an orphan. She's becoming emotional. Of course, about the Queen Mother, also about her. Now, she was looking on General Alan, and because of her, about the condition of their father. But look at them. Suddenly get closer to her. Well, it's 100%. They really look cute. Now, Princess Mingwei, General Alan. She was closer to her. General Alan seems to be surprised. What are you? Right now, she was really curious about Princess Mingwei. She was really getting scared. But right now, Mingwei, she moved closer to her. Well, definitely, she really want to feel Alan's kindness towards her. It's nothing, Princess Mingwei said to her. Alan, I want to be alone and be quiet. Princess Mingwei said to Alan. Oh, she looks really sad. Probably on what's happening. Right now, don't hide. General Alan suddenly grabbed hers. Well, probably she really want to stop her from doing things like that. Of course, General Alan, you really want to coax her, be able to find her and agree. Your eyes, your breathing, and your my heart beats. Tell me, you haven't finished speaking. Well, probably she become poetic right now. Of course, Princess Mingwei suddenly paused. Probably she was thinking how to answer her. If you pick up into the palace, you may not have a chance to know me. General Elan said to her. Well, definitely. She is really concerned about her. Also right now. I, I don't. So close, how can you suddenly came over? How can she see directly pick up what I didn't say? Princess Mingwei, she was thinking about General Elan. Well, General Elan, she was really smart. She grabbed her hands. Now, her hands, going to point out on General Elan's heart. Well, definitely. General Elan, she was really good at coaxing people. Mingwei, did you like me? Don't hide from me. This time, I won't let you hide again. Oh, that was really sweet things. General Elan, she became a sweet to her. Let's see on what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.